Shalom, Boker Tov, and good morning mga kabagtit. Good morning from Israel. Time check is 7:30 a.m. And I woke up like this. And maghilamos muna tayo and umpisahan na natin ang araw ng bugbugan. Hi mga kabagtit. Umpisahan natin ang umaga sa panalangin at pasasalamat at it's morning at nagising na naman tayo sa panibagong umaga. Ayun, palaging manalangin and be thankful all day, every day. At ngayon, hilamos na and toothbrush. Dapat as a caregiver, alagaan nyo rin yung inyong self, ang inyong skin. Yan. Yan yung tatawag na skincare. Skincare. Ang pag nanood kayo ng mga vlogs, meron mga skincare, baby tips, ganyan nga. Ganyan nga. Skincare. Self-care. Yan. Gusto niyo yan? Gusto ko rin yan. Dry. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Yan. Yan. Tap, 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 tap. Good morning, Boker Tov. Boker Tov is good morning in good morning in English. Hebrew is in Hebrew, Boker Tov. And now you put your ultra nourishing moisturizer. Yan. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Then swipe. Swipe here. Swipe there. Swipe. 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 Yan. Bago maglinis. Bago mag-esponja. Esponja is mag-mop. Esponja in Hebrew and mop in English. Yeah. So we're ready to Una, inom muna tayo ng hot water in the morning bago ang lahat. Yan ang aking mga tips. Ay, naulog. Yan. Pagkatapos ng ating skincare, magpainit tayo ng mainit na water para makalens ang ating buong sangkatauhan. And prepare the brekkie of Lola. The breakfast ni Lola is just simple bread. Yan. Ready ang kanyang food. And also some bread later. Yan. Yan. Mamaya na ulit. Annyeong! Ito ang kailangan natin sa paglinis. And this. And this. Tara na, linis na. pag in cleaning, hindi mo kailangan na masyadong magpakahirap in cleaning. Kung araw-araw ka naman naglilinis, it's just tinatawag natin maintenance. So, sabi nga sa Hebrew, chik-chak. Yan. Pag maintenance, chik-chak na lang kasi all day, every day ka namang naglilinis every morning, di ba? With water and sabon and soap. Kaya, yan. Yan, dito naman tayo. Ganyan po. Okay. Work. Ganyan po. is the CR. Tips, bago nyo linisan yung CR, isprayan nyo muna ng Economica. Is a muriatic or something. Ganon yung panglinis sa CR. For your good health, isprayan nyo muna ng mga ilang oras. Na-sprayhan ko na, so pwede na iskisin, diba? Maliit lang naman yung CR namin, so cute. Pag Pilipino ka, dapat meron kang tabo. Tabo sa shirting, sa CR. We need this tabo. Tabo. we're halfway done. Halfway pa lang yan. Not yet done. So, back to our hot water. Sa cleaning, hindi mo kailangan magpakapagod kasi kung everyday naman ikaw may task sa bintana, Monday sa bintana, Tuesday sa ganito, Tuesday sa mga bagay-bagay, Wednesday, Thursday sa cooking, Wednesday sa grocery, Thursday sa at kung ano-ano pa mga ganon, para hindi mo pahirapan yung sarili mo sa isang araw lang is isang tambak na trabaho. O yung laundry, ganyan. Ano lang, set up mo lang para hindi ka one day haggard, ganun. Ngayon, halfway done pa lang tayo kasi pag nagising si Lola, yung kwarto pa namin at yung kanyang pagsasyawiran yan, lilinisin pa rin yan. Tsaka yung CR, lilinisin ulit yan kasi alam mo naman ang mga granny, ganon sila. So, yun muna tayo. See you on my next part. And the next part of my vlogging. Thank you mga kabagtit. Tatapusin ko pa yung isa pang baso ng aking hot water in the morning. See you on my next clip. Love you mga kabagtit. Shalom mga kabagtit. Ngayon, at this very moment, time check is 9:18. Ngayon is gising na si Lola at ngayon siya naman ang aasikasuhin natin. But before that, habang ginagawa niya yung kanyang mga anik-anik, linisin muna natin ang aming kwarto. Okay? Cleaning our kwarto. Ang aming kwarto ni Lola. Fighting! sponge. This is what you call sponge time. Sponge time. It's the mop time. Cleaning time. Long katots time. Swipe. Yan, ganyan. Ganyan ang tagalinis. Ganyan nga. Ganyan. Ayan, kumukuha siya ng kanyang damit. Siya ang nagsiset ng kanyang isusuot for today. Ganyan siya. Mamaya siya na ang maliliguan ko. Diyan lang kayo. And now, we're done cleaning. Chick-chack our room. And again, the routine, the CR, kasi nag-CR siya. Dapat malinis ulit. Ngayon, it's time for her shower time. Siya na ang asikasuhin natin. CR, shower time. Time to ligo. Diyan lang kayo. Tisari. Hindi po ako sumisigaw kasi medyo mahina na po yung pandinig ni lola ko, kaya akala ng iba na sinisigawan ko siya. Kailangan malakas na boses para dinig ng kanyang. Yan. Now, it's time check is 9:30. Nagbibihis siya mag-isa. She's able. She can do anything she want to. Just to assist her. Kung anong hindi niya kaya, i-assist lang. Then, everything's okay. Okay? Now, we're almost done. At mamaya, pagkabihis niya, kakain naman siya ng kanyang breakfast. I-ready na natin ang kanyang breakfast. Simple lang ang breakfast ni Lola. It's bread with chocolate ang kanyang mga medicines. And my lola is so able na pati yung kanyang mga ginagamit, mga diaper niya, nilalagay niya sa dyaryo at nilalagay niya sa plastic. And it's very army. It's very soldier. Lahat. Sabi ko na pagkatapos niyang hubarin ang kanyang diaper, balot niya sa dyaryo and sa plastic. And she is doing it well. Kaya job well done, Lola. And now, preparing her breakfast. Just simple coffee and some milk. And ang kanyang mga eye drops. Wala nang problema sa kanyang lunch kasi lunch is ready. I am cooking it every once in a while. One package. Lunch. This is her lunch pack. I made her some lunch packs. Consist of some rice or some macaroni, or you can add it to some chicken, fish, and also with veggies, with mukfats, or with salad, vegetable salad on the side. So it's a three sets: rice, chicken, and salad, or sometimes spaghetti, meatballs, and salad. Anything, any food she can eat, and she love it. Any food I cooked, she eat it, and she love it, and it's delish. She said it's delish. Even I give her stone, she will eat it. Funny, huh? My Santa is so appreciative. Lahat ng ginagawa ko for her, she is so thankful. Always thank you. And it's good. Common na talaga sa mga lola ang mga kuripot. Yan lang naman yun. Kaya ang cooking is patago. My cooking skills is patago. But she ate well. Pag sa kanya walang kuri-kuripot, she's eating well. Yan. Mamaya ako din mag-breakfast. Bago ang lahat, siya muna. Bago ang lahat, ang mga pangangailangan muna ni Lola ang ating uunahin bago ang ating sarili. Work muna bago ang ating sarili. Pag nakapix na lahat, ang bahay, ang trabaho, si Lola, then sarili naman natin ang asikasuhin natin, di ba? Okay, hintayin natin si Lola. Ayan. Breakfast is ready. The medicines are ready. She knows when to take it. And now, the floor is already dry here in her bedroom. Yeah. It's a sunny day. And my little bedroom also is fixed already, and it's clean na. This is my little bedroom. Yung bedroom ko po is ginawa na lang nilang bedroom. This is a terrace so that I can have my very own room. It's jingle bells. And yeah. And makikita nyo dito yung aking tanim, ang aking kamote tops, at ang aking, this one is kangkong, may kangkong. And that's all, folks. That's all for today, and see you on my next vlog, mga kabagtit. Suporta nyo ay kailangan ko at maraming salamat. Shalom, shalom, mga kabagtit.